Mastering the phrase, get the look. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a popular English phrase that you might have come across in fashion magazines or beauty blogs, get the look. It's a phrase that appears simple but can be quite versatile in its usage. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Get the look is a phrase commonly used in fashion and style contexts. It implies copying or acquiring a particular style or appearance that someone else has. For example, if a celebrity is seen wearing a trendy outfit, a fashion blog might use the phrase to suggest ways for readers to imitate that style. Let's break down the phrase. Get is a verb that means to obtain or receive something. The is a definite article used here to specify a particular thing. Look, in this context refers to a style, fashion, or appearance. When combined, these words encourage someone to obtain a specific style or fashion. You can use get the look in various situations. Fashion advice. Love that actress's red carpet dress? Here's how you can get the look for less. Personal style. I loved the hairstyle in that movie, so I went to the salon to get the look. Marketing and sales. Get the look of this season's runway models with our latest collection. It's important to understand that get the look goes beyond just clothes and makeup. It can also reflect a lifestyle or an attitude associated with a particular celebrity or character. It's a phrase that encapsulates the idea of transforming one's appearance to match a certain desired image. Get the look is a fun and expressive phrase that's all about embracing and recreating styles that inspire you. We hope this video helps you understand and use get the look confidently in your conversations about fashion and style. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language learning tips.